Hello everyone. Today, I'll explain in an easy to understand way the 2026 latest version of how to sign up for Binance on a PC, how to deposit funds, and how to trade futures. If you sign up using the link below this video, you'll receive a 20% discount on Binance trading fees, along with a bonus reward, so I highly recommend signing up through the link. First, I'll explain how to sign up for Binance. If you access the link below the video you're watching right now, the Binance sign-up page will appear. As you can see here, a 20% trading fee discount and a bonus reward are provided. Now, let's start the sign-up process. First, please enter your email address or mobile phone number. Next, check the terms and conditions below, and click Continue. Please match the images to the words on the left. Next, proceed with email or mobile phone verification. Then, enter your password. Your password must be at least 8 characters long, and include a combination of at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, and one number. If the inviter code field appears, please enter BB333. By doing so, you'll receive a 20% trading fee discount, along with a bonus reward. That completes your Binance sign-up. Next, let's proceed with KYC verification. To deposit, withdraw, and trade on Binance, completing KYC verification is required. Since the KYC process includes a facial verification step, we'll continue this process on a mobile phone. First, please install the Binance app on your phone. Once the installation is complete, open the Binance app. Now, log in using the ID you just created. You'll be taken directly to the KYC verification process. First, select your nationality. Next, choose an available document type for verification. I'll proceed using a passport. To take photos of your ID, tap Take Pictures. Then tap Continue. Next, align the passport's information page within the camera frame, and take a photo. After that, proceed with facial verification to confirm your identity. Follow the on-screen instructions by moving your face or blinking your eyes. Once this is done, the KYC verification process will be submitted. After about 1 hour of review, your KYC verification will be completed. Next, let's set up Google Authenticator. Please switch back to the PC screen. From the left menu, click Account. Then click Security. To set up security using an Authenticator app, click Manage. Click Enable Authenticator app. Then complete email or mobile phone verification. After that, an Authenticator pop-up window will appear. Now, on your phone, search for and install Google Authenticator. Once the installation is complete, open the app. First, tap the button in the bottom right corner. Then select Scan a QR code. Next, scan the QR code displayed on the PC screen. Once scanned, a 6-digit Binance code will be generated in Google Authenticator. Then, return to the PC screen and click Next. In the Authenticator app code field, enter the 6-digit code from Google Authenticator. That completes the Google Authenticator setup. Second, I'll explain how to deposit funds into Binance. Binance offers several deposit methods, and in this video, I'll explain the most commonly used option, the peer-to-peer method. First, click Wallet in the top right corner. In the menu below, you'll see different wallet types. Spot is used for deposits, withdrawals, and spot trading, while Futures is used for futures trading. To make a deposit, click Spot. Next, click Deposit in the top right corner. Then, select Buy with USD. Check the agreement box, and click Start Trading. To purchase crypto, make sure Buy mode is selected. Next, choose the coin you want to buy. USDT is commonly used because transfers are fast. Below that, enter the amount you want to purchase, and select the currency you'll use for the deposit. Then, choose your payment method. Bank transfer is the most commonly used option. You'll now see a list of various advertisers. I recommend choosing an advertiser with high trading volume and a high completion rate. Select the advertiser you want to trade with, and click Buy USDT. You'll see the advertiser's terms. Be sure to review them carefully before proceeding. Now, enter the amount you want to buy. Select the payment method and click Buy USDT. The advertiser's payment details will then appear. First, be sure to check the advertiser's chat messages. Next, transfer the funds to the advertiser's account. Make sure the bank account is in your own name. Once the transfer is complete, click Transferred, notify seller. Then, upload at least one proof of payment. Check the agreement box below, and click Confirm. Finally, click Wallet in the top right corner again, and select Spot. After the seller confirms the payment, you'll see the coin deposited into your Spot wallet. Third, I'll explain how to trade futures on Binance. To trade futures on Binance, you first need to transfer your assets from your Spot wallet to your futures wallet. Click Spot, then click Transfer in the top right corner to move your funds. Select a transfer from Fiat and Spot to USD futures. Choose the coin you want to transfer, enter the amount, and click Confirm. After a short while, the funds will be transferred to your futures wallet. Now, let's start futures trading. Click Trade in the top menu, and select USD futures. You'll be taken to the futures trading screen. By clicking this area in the top left corner, you can select the coin you want to trade. On the right-hand side, you can configure your futures trading settings in detail. First, click this button to choose the margin mode. Cross uses your entire margin balance to open a position, while isolated uses only a portion of your margin. For beginners, I recommend the safer isolated mode. Next, click the button beside it to set the leverage. Leverage can be set up to 150x. While higher leverage can increase potential profits, it also significantly increases the risk of losses. For beginners, a safer range is 3x to 5x leverage. Below, you can choose the order type. Limit means a specified price, and market means the current market price. Here, you can see your available margin. In this section, set your order price and quantity. Next, click this button to choose your position direction. If you expect the price to rise, select Buy Long. If you expect the price to fall, select Sell Short. Then, click the Positions tab below to check the status of your open positions. Entry price is the price at which you entered the position. Mark price is the current market price. Leak price is the liquidation price. If the price reaches this level, your position will be automatically liquidated. P&L shows your current profit or loss. By clicking the pencil icon under TPSL for position, you can set your take profit and stop loss levels. Finally, by clicking the button under Market Close All, you can close your position. Choose either market to close at the current market price, or limit to close at a specified price, and your position will be fully closed. Today, I explained in an easy-to-understand way the 2026 latest version of how to sign up for Binance on a PC, how to deposit funds, and how to trade futures. If you have any questions, please leave a comment, and I'll get back to you as quickly as possible. If today's video was helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you for watching.